record session for you. Okay, guys, in SC11, let me create one table, guys. Jet test college table, guys. College table. Okay, some table, guys. Click on create. Click on create. See, this is college table. Okay, this is college table now. Now, this one has A. Display maintenance is allowed. Fields, guys. Go to fields. Now you see, guys. See, I showed you to create a domain data element plus domain from here, guys. Data element plus domain from here. But we can create from in a different way also. See, SC11. See here we have domain. You see, we have a domain. We have a domain. See, I will say jet test age. I'm creating a one domain called jet test age now. Click on this. Okay, already there. Jetty age. Okay, I am writing like this: age field, age is some I'll say two characters. Activate, simply activate. Nana, simply activate. See, I have created domain. See, I have created a domain. First I have created domain. After that, what I am doing, I will copy this one. I'll go to data types. See, here we have a data types. You give here. Here I will say D data element. See, first I created domain, Nana. From here. From here I created domain. After creating a domain, no, I am going to this data types. Click on create. You have to select this radio button. Select this radio button. Hey, hi, Raghu. Welcome back.
Good morning, Agnish.
Yeah. Hi. Good. Okay, now we have started data dictionaries. Okay, today is the second class for data dictionaries. Okay, okay, just enjoy the sessions. Okay, yeah. See, see from here I have created data element, Nana. Okay, now I am selecting data types and giving the same some name as data element. Click on create. See, click on create. Here we have data element. See, here we have data element. Click on OK. See, data element for age something. Okay, now you give the data element which you have domain which you have created. See, this is the domain I have created. See, domain I have created. Okay, now activate. Now you activate, guys. Now you activate. Maintain field labels. But still fine. Activate. You can maintain the field labels. Now this data element we can directly give in the table, guys. We can directly give in the table. See, we can directly give like this. Age is equals to like this. See, automatically will get, guys. Here I told you two ways. Here I showed you two ways. First creating a data element and domain. Now in the reverse way also. First we are getting a domain, then we are assigning to data element. These two steps are clear, everyone. It's your your comfort, guys. Which way you are comfortable. Okay, means from if you double click here, it will go to here. See, it will go to here. See here, data. You can create a domain. If you don't know domain, double click on this. You'll go. See, everything is same only. But I showed you different approach also. See, from first you create a domain. Sorry, first you create a domain. First you create a domain. This domain you add it here. Data types. In data types, we will have data element tab. We will have a data element tab. See, if you click on create, see data element. This is a data element. You select this one. In this data element, you can give domain, guys. In this data element, you will give domain. Is it clear, everyone? Anyone, any doubts? Can I move forward?
Yes.
Okay, good. Saurya, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see, guys. Now you see, if I try to activate or something, no. If I try to activate or something, you just see height, something height or see height. If I try to save, see what is this message, Nana? See, able to see this one specific. Specify a client specific application table. Specify a client specific application table means what is the meaning of this, Nana? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Specify a, just to read the message one more time. Specify a client specific application table. Read one more time. Specify a client specific application table. Read one more time. Specify a client specific application table means what is the meaning of that? Anyone in the class? System is asking this table belongs to which client? This table belongs to which client? You have to specify that. You have to specify that. Okay, let me make it very, it's a very very important interview question, Nana. It's a very very important interview question. Let me put it in a very simple way for you. See, what will happen is, see guys, what will happen is, see, this is a development system. See, this is a development system. This is a quality system. This is a production system. For all the systems, no, database will be same, guys. Database will be same. In some cases, database will be same, guys. Database will be same for all the system, irrespective. But what will change is the client ID will change. For development, it will be 800. For quality, it is for quality system. Quality system, it is 810 something. Okay, for production system, it is some 900. Production 900. Agnivesh, what is this? What is this 800? What is this client? Client is nothing but this one, Nana. See, this is the client. See, double click on here. See, when you log in, no, it will ask you which client you want to log in. In which client you want to log in. You want to log in into product. See, if you give 800 here, if you give 800 here, it's a development system. If you give 810 here, it's a quality system. If it is a production, it's a 900. You have to give the, this is the one. Now, what system is saying is, whenever I am creating a table, it is asking you to specify. It is asking me to specify client specific. It is asking me to create a table with a client specific. How to create? See here, you have to give a simple field called mandate. Very, 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 very important, Nana. Mandate. See, it's a mandate, Nana. See, mandate is nothing but a client. You can create a table with the mandate or without mandate. It's not a problem. Always it's recommended. Always it is recommended to create with the mandate, Nana. With the mandate. See, what will happen is in the background. What will happen is in the background. What will happen is if you have not maintained the structure. For example, what I will say is, see, this is in the development we have three tables, Nana. In the development we have three tables like this. See, development one, development two, two different systems, development two and development three. Development three. This is one system, two system, three system. All these three systems are using one database only. Database is same, Nana. Database is same. For example, database is same for all three systems. This is 800. For example, I will make it as 800. This is 800. 800. This is 900. This is 700, Nana. 700. Three different systems. Three different systems is using the same database. Okay. Now Rahul logged into this system. Now Rahul, what happened? He has, now this is the system Rahul is using. Rahul, what he has done, he has created one table, Nana. He has created one table. This is one table. He has created one table like this. Like this he has created, but he has not used. but he has not used this mandate. But he has not used this mandate. Clear? Then what will happen is, then what? And see, he created table and he entered some data also. He entered some data means he created some entries in the table also. Finally, this table will be stored here now in this database. Now from here, Saurya is trying to access Nana. Saurya is trying to access this table. Then what he found is not only the structure, not only the table, including the data. He is able to access the data also, Nana. Saurya is able to access Rahul's data also. That is not recommended. That is not recommended. Structure is fine, Nana. Up to structure you can access. Up to structure anyone can access. But in the tables, Rahul's data, no one should be able to access. Now, in the same case, now Rahul created this table with a mandate. Now Rahul created a table with the name called mandate. Mandate means client specific, Nana. Client specific. System automatically will assign the data while creating entries. No, system will fill the client this one number as 800. So when Saurya is trying to access, he will be able to access only the structure of Rahul's, but not the data. Why? Why data is not available? Because we created data on a client specific. On a client specific. Okay, let me show you one any standard table, guys. Any table. Let me show you one any table. Let me go to EKKO, guys. Any table, any K name. Let's go to K name, guys. Let's go to K name. See, click on display. See, click on display, guys. Now you see here we will find a keyword called mandate. Here you will find any table, guys. You go to any table. EKKO. Let me go to LFA1. Let me go to LFA1 table. Click on display. Click on display. See, here also it will show mandate, guys. What will happen if you create mandate? If you see the contents of the table, if you see the contents of the table, guys, see, mandate will be always created with your client number, Nana, with your logon number, this number. The data record will be created with your client number. So the person who is trying to access from 900 system, structure will be able to access, but not the data. Hope the concept is clear. Anyone, any doubts? Very, 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 very important interview question, Nana. The question is called what is what is client dependent and client independent? What is client dependent and client independent? This is the question, please. The second form is what is mandate? The question can be asked in two ways, guys. The question can be asked in two ways. What is mandate? What is client dependent and client independent? Then you have to say this story, guys. This one. If a table is created with a mandate field, means it's a client dependent. The data is client dependent. Only the structure will be able to access by the other system, but not the data. If you are not maintaining this mandate, if you are not maintaining this mandate in the table, anyone can be able to access your structure plus data. Everyone can able to access with structure plus data. Hope the concept is clear, everyone. Anyone, any doubts?
Yes, sir, clear.
Saurya, Gavya, Raghu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good guys, good. Okay, I'm going forward. Okay, from now onwards, whenever I create a table, I will give a keyword called mandate, guys. I will give a keyword called mandate. Okay, okay, good guys, good, very good, very nice. Okay, let's try to create one table, guys. Let us try to create one table, and I'll show you how the data is created in the tables. Let me remove this one. College ID, guys. Z college ID. See this college ID. Yesterday I have created Nana. Yesterday I have created data element, so I'm reusing it. So I told you that data elements and domains can be used in any number of ways. College code. College code. I'll say college code Nana. No, college name. College name. Z college name. Okay, Z college name. See, college name is not there Nana. Okay, college name is not there. You can create a data element from here or from, I told you, a second approach. What is the second approach, Nana? First to create a domain, from domain data element like that. Okay, it's up to your choice. Now I am creating a data element from here, Nana. Double click on this, click on S. Do you want to save? See, now I'll say college name, college name. Here domain also I can use a predefined, Nana. Predefined. See, name. See name. I'm using the already created domain, guys. Name, because in this name is a standard one. Name is a standard one which SAP has already created, Nana, with the character this one 35. Okay, activate, simply activate this one. Now go back. See college name, guys. Same thing. Address. See address. See address is there. See address. I will say phone number. Mm, yeah, phone number 10 characters. Okay, good. Next one is give me some names, guys. Give me some fields related to college departments. Department number of departments, guys. Number of departments in the college. Number of departments. Departments. Sorry, jet departments. Jet departments is not there, guys. Double click on this. Here I'll write like this. And one more thing, guys. One more thing. No need to create domain also, guys. No need to create domain also. Let me show you that also. See. See. If you remove this one, see here we have built-in types, guys. Built-in types. If you click on this now, built-in types, you can directly give like this. Char 2. See char 2. What is the difference between data element and this one, guys? Built-in types. What is the difference? Anyone in the class? What is the difference, Nana? What is the difference between built-in types? See, like this also you can create a data element, Nana. Like this also you can create. But what is the disadvantage of this is not reusable. This is not reusable. See, if you try to create, see guys, if you try to create like this, it is not reusable. But if you create a data element, see, if you create a data element, it can be reused in n number of tables and structures. You understood the difference? See, you can create like this, Nana, same character 2 only, but it is restricted only for this table. It is not reusable. See, I will say depart number of next one is principal name, Princey name underscore name. See here also I will create a built-in types case, built-in types. See like this. Char 10. Char 10. See. Princey name. See, this is restricted only for this table, Nana. This is see, click on data elements. See, some systems, no. Some systems you will find as a built-in types, guys. Some systems you will find predefined types. Both are same. See, in my system it is showing built-in type, guys. In some systems, no, it will show predefined types. Both are same. Both are same. See, go to technical settings, click on save. See APL0, this one. See, and one more thing have you observed, guys? After giving mandate, that warning message specify specific client database table. That message we are getting, no, whatever the message we are getting, no, that message is not coming here. Have you observed that? See, now I am trying to activate. Now I am trying to activate. See, still that message is not there. See, still that message is not coming. Okay. Now you see, I have activated my table, guys. Go to utilities, table contents, create entries. See, when I am creating entries, no, automatically system is filling my client data as mandate as 800, guys. 800. And that too, it's grayed out. That too, it is grayed out. See, now college is 1000. College number is JNTU, Kakinada. Phone number is something like this. Number of departments, I will say 10 departments. Principal name is Karthik. I'll say Karthik. Something. Okay. See, I told you yesterday, did I discuss this one? Capital letters. Why it is coming as a capital letters?
Yes, sir, we discussed.
Yeah. Why? See, and one more disadvantage of predefined types is, see, in predefined types, no, one more disadvantage is you will not have that sign and local case. That case option, that options won't be there, guys. You understood? See, here I can find that options, Nana. In the domain level, I can find these options. This type of options you will not get it in this predefined types. In this built-in types, you will not have that options. See, I want my principal name in the small letters, but you don't have that option, Nana. If you create a data element in this way, in a predefined data types, you will not find that such type of options. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I will do is um I'll try to add one more key field, guys. I'll try to add one more key field. Principal ID. Principal ID. See, Princey ID, guys. See, Princey ID, it's not there. So let me create my data element. Okay. Princey ID. I can create like this also, guys. Char 5 something. Okay. Char 5. Only char 5. Char 5. For this one, there would be like this. Char 5. Okay. Now activate. Simply activate this. If you activate this table, no. System, what it will show you is, oh, it got activated. Okay, good. It got activated. See, it got activated. Now you see, guys, go to table contents, create entries. Now you see. Now already I have 1000, guys. Now I am creating 1000 again. Will it accept or not? Will it accept or not? Principal ID I am giving as 1000. See, with this 1000, college ID is equals to 1000. I already have, guys. I already have 1000 in my table. See, let me show you. S11. See, in this table already entry is there, Nana. With this 1000, I have an entry. See, 1000, I have an entry. Now again, I am trying to create this 1000. Will it accept or not? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Any other answers, guys? Yes or no? See, guys. See,
It
here
should
this is
overwrite.
called. Sorry.
It should overwrite the data, right?
Okay. No. I'm just saying it will accept or not.
Okay. No, I think it should not because it's unique.
Okay, good. Yeah, as per means you are on track. Okay, even the answer is wrong. Even the answer is wrong, but you are on track. Okay, whatever I have explained yesterday's class, you are on track. See, now what I am saying is, see, this is called composite prime case. Composite prime. Interview question, Anna. Composite prime. Composite prime. What is composite prime? It is nothing but combination of primary key fields. Nothing but combination of primary key fields. Primary key fields. Now you see, you are seeing only 1000. You are seeing only 1000. But along with this 1000, I have one more primary key field that is called principal ID. In this combination, do we have any record in this table? In this combination, 1000 and 1000. Do we have in this combination entries there?
No.
No. So then it will accept. See, it will accept. This as I will say as JNTU-H. This is JNTU-H now. Okay, address is Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Phone number is something. Department is 15. Principal name is some Mahesh. See, now I am clicking on save. Now I am clicking on see the data got saved successfully. Now if I refresh this one, see the record got successful. Now you say me, I am giving 2000 guys, 2000. Will it accept or not?
Yes, it will accept because your prince ID is different.
Yeah, excellent. Will it accept now?
No.
No.
Yeah, that is what
Already
answer I expected. See, that is known as composite prime, Nana. That is called composite prime. See, what is the prime key? See, prime. What is a primary key? Primary key is nothing but it has to be. It has to be unique. It has to be unique. What is composite primary key? Composite primary key means what? Composite primary key means it is a combination of primary key fields. It is a combination of primary key fields. Hope you understood what is composite primary key and key fields. See, I'm trying to add same 1000. Now system will give you the same error now. See, a database with a specific key already exists. Read one more time. A data record with a specified key is already exist. But if I change it to one, principal ID as one. Now will it accept or not?
Yes,
Yes,
it will
it will
accept.
accept.
Yeah, see, it will accept. See, the data record saved successfully. Always it will check, Nana. Always it will check the combination. Always it will check the combination, Nana. Always it will check the combination. Okay. Now so that is the reason we will have unique records. Unique records here. This is a duplicate record. You always check. If you have multiple primary key fields, no, multiple key fields, you need to always check the combination. Give me a second, guys. My charging. 1 second.
Agnivesh, one question to you.
Yeah, please.
On your table, how many primary keys and how many combination primary keys can we activate?
Can you try this one as a? It's a very good question. My answer is 16 primary key fields. 16. Okay, and we have a different solutions for this. SAP is giving different solutions. See, maximum primary key fields, maximum key fields in SAP ABAP data dictionary. See, it's a we have a little bit of controversy with this question. It's a very good question, Narina. See, what system is saying is, see, what is the meaning of this is, see, uh, even I have not tried. See, even I have, to be frank, I also didn't try this one. It's a tricky question, guys. It's a tricky question. See, first one is maximum 16 key fields we can do. Maximum 16 key fields we can do. But in this 16 key fields also, this length is there. No, this length, whatever the length you are given. First field is 5 characters, second field is 5 characters, like this. This length. This length also should matters, guys. Like that can be contains maximum of 900 bytes. See, for example, if your first field, if your field one is having 150, like 100 characters. Okay, second field is having 600 characters. Second field number 2. Field 2 is having 600 characters. Total how much, Nana? Total how much? Total 700 now. Total 700. Now field 3. Field 3 is having 300 characters. Total how much?
1000.
1000, right? So let me make it. So this is not possible. So you have to give 200. Only means a primary key fields can be given only for 3 fields in this case. In this case, this question is little bit of what we say tricky. See, let me put in a very simple way. Let me put in a very simple way. See, maximum 16 fields we can give as a key fields, Nana. Maximum 16 fields. But if your field length, if your field lengths are, if your field length has to be minimum below 900 bytes. Below 900 bytes. If your field lengths are more like this, here see, here we have 600 Nana, 600. So you have to adjust your key fields between below this 900 only. Below this 900. See, the maximum count is 16. The length of the key fields should be below 900. Hope my answer is clear. Length, Nana, I am saying about the length. If your length is more, then key field's length will be decreased. For example, in one field only, in one field one, see in the field one, you have used 900. However, you can't create one more key field, Nana. One more key field you can't create. One more key field you can't create. Why? Because the maximum length is 900 only. The maximum is 900 only. You can create a non-primary key fields. You can create n number of non-primary key fields. N number of non-primary key fields. Guys, are you following?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is my explanation is okay for this one? I've just got a doubt because you are silent.
What we understand is that you have a data, you have a data constraint. I mean, storage
Restriction. Yes, restriction is there. Restriction.
Why SAP is not increasing that?
I will give you SAP phone number. You speak with him. That is the limitations they have. That is the limitation they have. Okay.
Another
But-
question to you.
Yeah, please.
Uh, to access my table, I want to set few fields as mandatory.
Yeah, see, like this. You have to set this one.
How many? The same way. That is, you still have 16 combinations, or certain fields have to be optional. How do I make all the fields optional?
No. Very good question. Narayana again. It's a very good question. See, when you are creating any table, at least one field has to be key field. See, I'll try to create a one table. See, I will try to create a table 2. Okay, table 2. See, click on create. See, I will say, see, at least one field it has to be, there should not be, okay, see, go to field names. See, here I am writing Kunnar. I am not giving any key field here. See, I am not checking this one, okay? See, name. Now I am giving it technical settings. See, click on save local object. See, specify this is mandatory, it's okay. 0, save, activate. See, what is the error you are getting, Nana? See, error occurred while activating. See, what is the error? Specify a primary key. At least one field, Nana. At least one field you have to specify. See, I am clicking on this. Now, if I try to activate.
One sec, wait, Akhilesh.
Yeah, please.
As you mentioned, the data that is client key is mandatory for each and every table.
No, it's not mandatory. See, I told you right. It's a client dependent or client independent.
No, I understood, but else if you try to do this, now you should get a prompt of client specific, right?
Yeah. Let me save it. See,
Correct. It's asking for the client. Yes.
it is a just information. It is just an information.
Independent.
Independent. See, if you don't want that error message, add that mandate also here. And always, guys, always, mandate field has to be on the first. Okay, it's a condition, guys. It's a condition. Okay. And one more condition is whatever the key fields you are mentioning, that has to be on the first. See, first, for example, here I am saying as ID, student ID. Here I can't give, guys. Here I can't give. In the middle I can't give, Nana. In the middle I can't give. You understood? Judge STU ID. Okay, let me say. See, this one I can't give in the middle, Nana. It will throw error. See, it will throw error. See, cannot be a key. Means, see, key is already defined. Cannot be a key. Means, what are the key fields are there? This has to be on the first. After completion of key fields only, you have to go to non-primary key fields. After completion of key fields only, you have to declaring non-primary key fields.
One more question to you. Okay.
Please.
Can I convert a standard data element into a built-in type? It should. It should allow.
See, yeah, see, we can give it, right? We can give it like
No. I want Kunar to be made as an built-in type because I saw that option there. Can you double-click on that, Kunar?
Okay.
See, there is a built-in type option also there, right? Domain
Yeah,
and
building type is option is there. Yeah.
we can use that, right? We can either make our variable as, but vice versa.
See, 1 second. These are standard tables. You can't edit this one.
That's
You
right.
cannot edit.
No, that's right. But I'm keeping a Z data element. When I'm keeping my Z data element, can this be, because sometimes I want this as a data element where I can reuse.
No, not like that. Not like that.
No, see,
One second.
you can see that there is a radio button there active still.
Yeah. Wait. Let me explain you. See, here, what is this? What is this radio button means? You can create domains. You can create a domain, or if you want to create a built-in data types, is nothing but you can give character. You can give char 10. You can directly give char 10. If you give like this, what will happen, Nana? If you give like this, what will happen? You will not have the options, extra options, whatever the options we have for this data element like this. This option, sign, case sensitive, this value range, this value table, these options you will not have in this building types. For this building types, no, you can't maintain those options.
I didn't get it.
No, see, what is the advantage of domain? See, generally, what is the advantage of domain?
You are
Name plus
having the
type.
We can reuse. See, first one is we can reuse, correct?
okay.
Second one is we can maintain this one routines. We can maintain these routines.
Okay.
Case sensitive, this sign options, case insensitive option is there.
Uh-huh.
And we have value ranges. See, we have value ranges. This one I will say you. Okay. These options we have in domain. But if you try to create in building type, if you try to create this building, this is a building type now. This is a building type.
Correct.
But for this we don't have that options. You don't have that options for this building types.
You mean to say there is no add-on field available for this?
No.
It's just an independent field.
See, if I double click nothing, it is not navigating to anywhere. You see?
Okay.
Sir,
Clear?
can we delete domain?
Standard no.
Custom, sir, custom.
Custom we can do it. Yeah, we can do it. See, double click here, and you can see. Let me show you here. Go back. See SE11. Go to SE11. See, let me go to data element. See, here we have data element. See, here we have domain option. See, do you want to create? See, you have to select and click on to. Do you want to delete, yes. I can delete, see, delete it. See, if you click on create change, it will not change.
How about
See,
deactivating?
anything, yeah. So, yeah. Go ahead.
How about deactivating the same domain? Because I may use it tomorrow.
See, deactivate is nothing but reactivating. No. Once you delete it, you have to create from scratch.
No. See, I think one of our colleague, one of the team member here, like he asked for deletion, but in reality they don't do that, right? They usually park it.
See, there is no option called
Parking,
uh,
huh?
no. See, they will just remove. See, for example, in this table, I don't want this field. In functional point of view, you will say to delete. In
Hmm.
functional point of view, you will say delete. In
Okay.
technical point of view, I will remove. I will remove. See,
So
there
both
is
are,
a difference. See, there is a difference between delete and removing, right?
no, I got it actually. See, delete and remove is one and the same for me. Okay,
Yeah.
but what I want to tell you is I want to deactivate. I don't want to see that on my report or whatever.
Yeah, we can see there is no deactivate option. There
Okay.
is there is no deactivate. See, like in SAP, everything has to be activated only. If any inactive objects, it's nothing but there won't be anything. It will just save as a temporary only. We can lose the data. The data will be, see, after activation only, your data or your program, anything, it will save in your database. It will save in your database. If you don't activate anything, it will not save in the database. It will just save as temporary. We may lose that one. We may lose that object.
Okay. So there is no
Yes.
hide option. Only
No, no,
removal
no,
option only
no,
available
no,
in tables.
no.
Okay.
Yeah, there is no such options. Hide options, no. We don't have that options. Okay. Yeah. Fine, guys. I want to discuss one more topic with this that I will discuss in tomorrow's class, guys. That I will discuss in tomorrow's class because the time is not sufficient. Okay. Yeah. Fine, guys. I'll break class for today. See you tomorrow, guys. Okay. See you. Guys, this Sunday we have class, guys. Please be prepared. Okay. Please be prepared. Maybe 1 second. There can be a function in my home, guys. There can be a function in my home. So 18th and 19th, I may take leave. I will inform you. Okay, I will inform you. But Sunday we have class, guys. Pakka, we have class on Sunday. Okay, Sunday we have class. But 18th and 19th, I will inform you in the group, guys. I will inform you in the group. Okay, about 18th and 19th, I will inform you on the group. But 20 we have a class, guys. Please be prepared. From now onwards, guys, from now onwards, I will take Saturday, Sunday classes also for you guys. Okay, because I want to complete syllabus so that we have some people in our class who are eagerly looking for a job. So if I complete syllabus faster only, they can get a job a bit faster. And guys, please you have to practice. Okay, see syllabus complete.